Take a look at the question. So S is the set of distinct values of B for which the following system of linear equations has no solution. We have to find out if S is an infinite set, a finite set containing two or more elements, a singleton, or an empty set. How do we do this question? Well, first of all, let us write down the given system of equations and consider the first case where A is equal to 1. The system of equations now looks like this. So the first equation and the second equation have become identical. Taking the difference of the second and the third, we find that 1 minus b times y is equal to 1. So suppose b is equal to 1. So the left hand side would become 0 and the right hand side is 1. Now 0 cannot be equal to 1. Therefore the system of equations becomes inconsistent in this case. Let us write down the system of equations again and consider the second case where A is not equal to 1. Now taking the difference of the first and the second equation, we find that A minus 1 times y is equal to 0. Now A is not equal to 1, therefore y must be equal to 0. And now the equations look like this. So x plus z is equal to 1 and ax plus z is equal to 0. Taking the difference of these two, we find that 1 minus a times x is equal to 1. And therefore, since a is not equal to 1, x would be equal to 1 divided by 1 minus a. Now y is anyway equal to 0 and z can be written as 1 minus x. So we now have an infinite number of solutions. So there is only one value of b for which the system is inconsistent, and that is 1. Therefore the set S is a singleton. So the correct answer is option 3.